Right, so in our last class we did half beat rhythm, and then we also did one beat and half beat rhythm, right? Half. Okay, so do you still remember how this half was sounding? Do you still? Okay, so let's do it one more time. So half, this is 4/4, right? So the timing is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half, half, 1, 1, 2. 1, half, 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 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Okay, so many of you have not submitted this the assignment for the last lesson yet, and I want you to submit. Okay, so today we are going to do at least 2 rhythms. So we are going to try 1.5 beat rhythm first on 2 different kind of movements. And in 3 movements, some people were just doing 3, like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Like that division wasn't there. 3 movements should be like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Can you feel the movement now? Rather than saying 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. You understand? Like, let someone feel that 3's movement. When it's 4, someone should still feel it. So today we are going to add 1.5 clapping to hear how it's going to sound. We have over hundreds of rhythms, over hundreds, but I'm going to work on the one that you will see in choral, in vocal scores especially, and in hymns, and in classical singing scores. But we have, if you are doing instrumental music or like any instrument music, you may likely encounter different kinds of rhythms, but we are going to work on those ones that you will always encounter in your daily activities. Okay, so today we are going to add 1.5 rhythm clapping. And let me also try it in another time signature. Okay. I should have done let me do it here. These are very once you graduate from rhythm, there is nothing that can stop you from being a being a musician. Rhythm is always the hardest. Rhythm is the hardest part in music. And let me do this other one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then okay. let's do these two first. Okay, so you already understand the note values, that in 4 crochet is 1, crochet is 1, and total of this will be 1.5, right? This is half, this is 2. If you're still having challenges with note values, you still have a long way to go. Without graduating from note value, you can't understand rhythms, because rhythm is note value. It is from the note value that you can clap or play the rhythms. So if you're still having challenge in this, please work on yourself. Okay, so this is 1.5, half, 1, 1, 1, 1.5. Okay, so this is half, 1, 1.5, half, 1, 1. 1, 1. I'm writing this for the sake of people that may be having challenge in this, but this is bad. If you're still struggling with your note values, it's very bad. Okay, so 1.5, you know. Okay, let me do a little math on this. I want to write out these notes now. This note is crochet. You know, a dotted crochet is also like quiver, right? A dotted crochet is like quiver plus this other quiver, right? But then, you know, this quiver is added to this crochet. So if this was a quiver note to be played, it would have been like 1, 2. It would have been like 1, 2. Can you hear now? But now part of this quiver, which is 1 half, right, 2 half, is now attached to this. So, and it's attached in the sense that you're not going to clap it. So now it's going to be 1, instead of 1, 2, it's going to be 1, 2. See now? Because you now divide one part and put for the this thing. Please keep your phone one place. While you're watching, I want you to clap along with me, because I want you to feel in your hand, in your leg, not in your heart, how the rhythm sounds. Don't feel in your heart. Don't say, oh, after watching I will practice. No. Keep your phone, your mobile, your whatever you're using, your screen aside. Join me in this exercise. Feel it. Okay, so this is 1.5. So 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2. You see, you stay there, because now let me explain this. The accent, that strong, the emphasis would have been here, just like here. You see, when you are clapping half, you start here, pam, pam, right? This is where you give your end. So this one now would have been 1 plus half here, right? Half here. But this is where your 2 begins. So 1, 2 begins here. But where 2 begins, part of the 2 is added to 1 and remaining half. That's why you're clapping. You have to, the second beat will be played first before you balance the remaining half and attach to the next note. For instance, if this is the next note, okay, so it's going to be like, you're still going to pronounce this 2, so it's going to be like 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Can you see now? You pronounce wherever the beat is, you have to call out the next beat, or the next beat must be played before you now balance the remaining half. So now let's do it clapping. We are clapping this place now. So 1 half. Can you hear now? 1, this is 1, this is the next half will still be added there. So 1 half. Here now, so 1 half, half, it's now 1 half and so 1, 2, ready, go. Now feel it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here now again. 1, the next number call. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Even if it's at 3, like this one is at 3, right? So now this one will now be 1, 2, 3, 4. That 3 you don't do 1, 2, 3. No, you don't do 1. Okay, like this 2 now you don't do 1, 2, 3. No, or 1, 2, 3. No. That's all I said. Keep your screen. Join me in this clapping to get it right. We go again here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. This place is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Can you hear now? This place is bam. This place is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Because you have to call the next number, the next bit involved, because the strong word you would have had the strong accent note is divided and added to this other note. Okay, so now we go number 2. Now let's go together, practicalize this place. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's clap it. Now let's clap it so that here. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you feel it? Okay, so we'll still do it. Now let's try it on this another time signature. I will often use a time signature that crochet is 1 bit. You know why? Because in many composition, especially from the classical eras and so on, mostly they use music that crochet takes 1 bit, and also you see music that quiver takes 1 bit, but it's very rare for you to see music that minims takes 1 bit. Yes, that's just how it is. So that's why I'll often use crochet as 1 bit. Yes, in different movements. Okay, so let's try the minimum now. So minim, still the same thing. So the only difference, how you clap the 1.5, whatever note, whatever bit, is the same in all key time signature. The only difference is what type of note represents half. But understanding the beat, the rhythm, is the same in all time signature. So now let's try this one. We're ready. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, see this place? When we have this kind of beats attached to the next bar, that is where some people always have problem. The clapping is the same, irrespective of where they appear. Once you understand how it's clapped, irrespective of where you find it, it remains the same. Now this is 1, 2, 3. You count 4 before you now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like other ones, you attach it to the next strong 1 bit or whatever strong accent. Okay, now let's go again. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is it. This is how 1.5 rhythm sounds. And now we are going to try let's try quarter beat clapping. I think quarter beat is the simplest rhythm, one of the simplest rhythm in music, quarter beats, because they are just straightforward. But I heard some people were doing something else the other day. I said they should submit their rhythm. And the purpose of telling you to submit all these things is not for my own good. If you like, you submit. Don't like, still for your own good. Okay, so we are going to try quarter beat clapping. For today, we are going to stop at quarter beat clapping. Then we join all the rhythms we have learned so far and see if we are progressing. Are we ready? Okay. Please, if this thing is still looking like film to you, please, that means you're behind us. This thing should not look like film to you, please. That's my special appeal. If you're still looking like strange, it means there is a lesson you've not understood. And I've said earlier that one lesson not understood or missed or lost is the rest of the lesson lost. So that is just how unique it is. Okay. Let's try in 3, 4, because these 3 movements has really caused a whole lot of stress while marking your script in 3s. Okay, I can do quarter, 2 quarter in 1 bar. Okay, now these are quarters. I'll still keep doing this until we graduate. These are quarters, and we know 4 quarters is 1, right? 4, that's quarter plus quarter plus quarter. This is 2. That's this by not complete. 1, 2. That means this should be the crochet and meaning to be 2. Okay. This is 2, 1, 1. These are quarters, right? 1 quarters 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 1, 1 quarters 1, right? And these are quarters, right? Okay, and then quarters again, and this is 3. So now quarter is just clapping these 4 notes inside 1 beat, right? Okay, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Now there is difference between 1, two, three, four. No. Depending on your tempo, it must be equally divided into quarters. It must sound equally. Not 1, 2, 3, because it's 4. You say you've clapped 4. No. It must be equally divided, please. So now this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not doing 1, 2. You now come and wait. No. So now let's go. 1, 2. Clap with me. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you hear me doing 1, 2, 3? No, I'm doing pam. If my tempo now increase to 1, 2, 3, 4, it will now be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. 1, bam, bam, bam. But if your tempo is slow, then you're expected to take it slow. Now, let's do it in a little bit faster tempo, like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But if your tempo is slow, it should also still be well divided. So we go clapping. Now look at it. Are we ready? 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you feel it? Now let's do 3, 4. Then after now we mix all the rhythm in one music and see how it goes. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now let me take it slow. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I hope you were clapping along with me, because that's the only solution to you understanding rhythm. Don't say, oh, I understand. Okay, now I understand. In your heart, you understand. Once you keep that screen near your phone to practicalize it, you come see say you did not understand. So do it along. Okay, now combination of everything. Then we end it here. Let's do 4, 4. Okay. So we are now done with how many rhythms so far? Plenty rhythms. Okay. Okay. Okay, now let's go. Are we ready? 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I think that is cool and nice. Okay, let me give you rhythm to do and submit for me based on everything we've learned in our first rhythm and today's rhythm. 3, 4, okay. Just clap this, this, and this. Don't clap the upper one because the upper one still is the combination of this. So clap these 3 I'm going to write and send to me. Okay, so you're clapping this and sending it to me. This 1, 2, 3, 4 only, please.